8 Samachir Max exercise 5 3.3 third sum. Expand 5 minus x the whole cube. So you know this is a minus b the whole cube form. So it is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So this is a formula. So here a is equal to 5 and b is equal to x. So you have a as 5 and b as x you can have. So it is equal to, so apply 5 minus x the whole cube, it is equal to 5 cube minus 3 into 5 square into bx plus 3 into 5 into x square minus x cube. So it is equal to 25, 5 5 are 25, 25 into 5 is 125 minus 3 into 25 into x plus 3 5 are 15 x square minus x cube. So it is equal to 125 minus 25 into 3 is 75x plus 15x square minus x cube. So this is your answer. For the next sum you have 2x minus 4y the whole cube. Again you write the formula. A minus b the whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b, minus b cube. Okay, so it is equal to, here you have a as 2x, your b is equal to 4y. So you write here 2x minus 4y the whole cube is equal to, a cube is 2x the whole cube minus 3 into 2x the whole square into 4y plus 3 into 2x into, wherever you have a you write this and wherever you have b you write 4y. So 4y the whole square minus 4y the whole cube. So it is equal to 2 to 4, 4 to 8x cube minus 3 into 2x the whole square is 4x square into 4y plus 3 into 2x into, first expand and then you can multiply. 4 4 are 16y square minus 4 4 are 16, 16 4 are 64y cube. So it is equal to 8x cube minus 3 4 are 12, 12 4 are 48 x square y plus 2 3 are 6, 16 into 6, 96, 6 6 are 36, 3 96. So 96 y square minus 64 y cube. This is your second. AB minus c. So this you again you write the formula, a minus b the whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So a is equal to here ab, your b is equal to c. So this is your a and this is your b. That's what I have written. Now you write ab minus c the whole cube is equal to, wherever you have a you put this ab. ab the whole cube minus 3 into ab the whole square into, your b is what? C plus 3 into ab into c square minus c cube. So it is equal to a cube b cube minus 3a square b square c plus 3ab c square minus c cube. We can't further simplify, so leave it as it is. Now 48 cube. So 48 cube can be written as 50 minus 2 the whole cube. So this is a what form? A minus b the whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So it is equal to 50 minus 2 the whole square. Your a is equal to 50, b is equal to 2. So write first what is a and what is b so that it will be easy for you to apply in your formula. So it is 50 cube minus 3 into 50 square, b is 2 plus 3 into 50, b square is 2 square minus 2 cube. So it is equal to 50 cube is 125 followed by 3 zeros minus 3 into 5 5s are 25 followed by 2 zeros into 2 plus 3 into 50 into 2 square is 4 minus 2 cube is 8. So it is equal to 125, that is 1,25,000 minus 2 3s are 6. 25 into 6 will give you 75 into 2, 150. 150 followed by 2 zeros plus 3 4s are 12. 12 5s are 60 followed by 1 0 minus 8. I am multiplying the numbers and putting the extra zeros. So it is equal to, just add the positives. So 125 followed by 3 zeros plus 600. So your value is 125600. So both these negatives you add up. You will get 1500 plus 8 will give you 15008. So subtract this. Both the negatives you add up. So you write 125600 minus 15008. It is equal to, subtract 15008. Subtracting means this is 10, this is 9, this is 5. So 2, 9, 5, this you have 0, 1, 1. So here I this 100, sorry 110592. So this is your answer. Next is 97xy. So 97xy means you can write it as 100xy minus 3xy the whole cube. 97, 100 minus 3 is 97. So now this is of what form? A minus b the whole cube. It is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So now 100xy minus 3xy the whole cube is equal to 100xy the whole cube. But your a is equal to 100xy, your b is equal to 3xy. So instead you can do like this, 100 minus 3 the whole cube into x cube y cube we can write. So that okay, leave it, continue. Okay, minus 3 into 100xy the whole square, your b is 3xy plus 3 into 100xy into your b square is what? 3xy the whole square minus b cube is 3xy the whole cube. So it is equal to 100 means 3 times you're multiplying. So you will have 6 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 6 zeros, x cube, y cube minus 3 into followed 10,000 x square, y square into 3xy plus 3 into 100xy into 3 3s are 9 x square, y square minus 3 3s are 9 3s are 27, 27 x cube, y cube. So it is equal to x cube, y cube minus 3 3s are 9, 9,000, sorry 90,000, 90,000 xy square, x square, y square into xy will give you x cube, y cube plus 3 into 3, 9 3s are 27. So 22,700 xy into x square, y square will give you x cube, y cube minus 27 x cube, y cube. So it is equal to 100 followed by 6 zeros minus 90,000 plus 2,700 minus 27 into x cube, y cube. Take out x cube, y cube commonly so that you can subtract the numbers. So now you add both the positives. $2,700. So 2,700. Like minus, add these two, 90, like this you get. So now you write the numbers, 2700, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 2,700 you have added correctly. 9, this is 27 900. See that you write one below the other correctly. This is 10, this is 9, this is 6. So 3 7 6 2. So this is 9, this is 9. So you will get 0 9. 9 minus 9 will give you 0. So your answer is 902673.